Hey, you. Yeah, you scrolling through. Quick question. Do you throw plastic bottles in the trash like this? Or do you recycle them like a responsible, world-saving superhero? Well, if you don't recycle, get ready for some serious guilt-icity. Because today we're talking about why recycling is necessary and how it can actually be fun. And if you don't stick around, this banana peel might come back to haunt you. Before we dive in, make sure you click that subscribe button, because if you don't, you might never see us again. Sad times, right? All right, let's roll. Every year we dump over 2 billion tons of trash into landfills. That's like stacking the Empire State Building 3,000 times. And guess what? Most of that trash, totally recyclable. Here's the deal. Trash in landfills takes forever to decompose. Plastic, 450 years. Aluminum, 200 years. And that random homework assignment you threw out, gone in 2 weeks, but emotionally scarring forever. Okay, let's turn this trash talk into something positive. Recycling has superpowers. It, 1, saves energy. Making a can from recycled aluminum uses 95% less energy than making it from scratch. 2, reduces pollution, less trash, less stinky landfills, less grossness for everyone. 3, saves resources. Trees, oil, metals, recycling gives them a second chance at life. By recycling, you're basically saying, hey, Earth, I got your back. And Earth is like, thanks, fam. Now, you're probably like, recycling sounds great, but isn't it boring? Wrong. Let me show you how to make recycling fun. Can you turn your old soda cans into a mini bowling set? Challenge your friends. Loser buys pizza. Sort your recycling into the right bins as fast as you can. Winner gets bragging rights. Recycle and dance. Hashtag it. Hash recycle groove. Let's make saving the planet go viral. When we don't recycle, trash piles up, marine animals choke on plastic, and we waste precious resources. Is that what you want? Is it? Recycle, please. So the next time you're about to throw something away, think about how you can make a difference. Together we can keep the planet clean, protect wildlife, and even have a little fun while we're at it. Don't forget to subscribe, or you might miss out on the next amazing video. Trust me, you don't want to live with that regret. Click it now. Follow us for more eco-friendly tips. Your trash has a future. Make it a good one.